1 second. I got it. This is a workout. Hey guys, it's Rilyn Dinyae. Do you want to know how to make a butter slime like this? Great, well I'm going to show you how to make a butter slime. So, without further ado, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need. A bowl for mixing. A spoon that has a pig, because pigs are awesome. Glue for obvious reasons. Lotion. Baby oil. This is totally optional, but I love scent, so I'm scenting mine like Island Margarita. And any activator of your choice. I'm choosing liquid starch just because. Day-so clay. You can also use Model Magic, but it's not as nice, so I definitely recommend this. You can get this off of Etsy if you were wondering. And a 1 cup measuring cup. Okay guys, so you need 1 cup of glue. Close enough. And next you're gonna need some lotion. I'm using Sweet Pea because it smells good. And I'm just gonna add a squirt or 2 of this. You don't need much, but it'll just help your slime to be stretchier. And then you can mix that together. And next you're gonna need baby oil. So you're just gonna do a squirt of baby oil. You don't wanna have a thick base for your butter slime or else it'll be eh. So you wanna make sure it's really stretchy. And if you would make your slime and it would be hard for some reason, you can soak it in hot water and that'll help melt it a little bit and make it softer, so yeah. Next you're gonna add your scent if you have some and if you wanna add it. I'm just gonna add a drop or 2. It smells like limes. And now you're gonna add your activator. Just add a little bit at a time or else you could overactivate your slime and that would not be good. So just add little bits at a time. So just keep kneading until it's not sticking to your hands, and then you probably want to clean out your bowl so your bowl's not dirty, and then the fun part comes. Okay, so now that your slime is ready to go, you can open up your day-so clay. I'm using black to make a black butter slime. I'm gonna add some blue glitter. And then just mix your clay into your slime until it's nicely combined and there are no lumps. Day-so clay is the most satisfying clay in the world. It reminds me of Oreos. For some reason I feel like it smells like Oreos. So cookies and cream Oreo butter slime. Comment down below what you think I should name this. And just warning you guys, day-so will make your slime a little bit sticky, so you may need to add a little bit of activator. And here is your final product. Butter slime. This is so easy to make and so amazing, so I definitely recommend that you try out this recipe. If you try this, DM me on Instagram or Musical.ly and send me a picture of how your slime turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think I should name this slime and what you want to see from me next. I love you guys so much. Bye!